Today's episode is brought to you by San Remo Couscous, recipes your family will love. G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make a really simple chicken noodle soup. Let's go. Get a large saucepan, put the heat on medium and put in 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil and heat this up until it's hot. Add some onion. So cut up and dice 1 medium-sized onion and cook this for about 3 minutes, stirring often. Now add 1 carrot, about a medium-sized one. Just cut it up in small pieces. Same with the potato, a medium to large sized potato, cut that up into pieces. And some celery. Just cut up 1 celery stick. Now just cook this for about 5 minutes. Make sure you stir this quite often so it doesn't stick to the bottom and burn. Now add 1.5 litres of chicken stock. Give it a stir. Now cover it, bring to the boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to simmer and just let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Alright, now add chicken, cut it up into small pieces. I've cut up about 300 grams, so whether if you want to have a bit more or a bit less than that, it's entirely up to you. Just stir that in. Now add the pasta. Any pasta is fine. I'm just using basic spaghetti and I've cut it into, or broken it up into little pieces of, and that's about 50 grams. So just stir it all through. Now for this, just partially cover it, so just leave a corner that's okay where it's not covered, and cook this on low for probably about 10 minutes, basically until the pasta is tender. So 10 minutes should do it. Alrighty, that's looking good. Now just put in some parsley, not too much. Season with a bit of pepper if you wish. And a little bit of salt, pinch or 2. And then stir this through. Now just serve up. Yum. Yum, yum. Well, I hope you like this. So good. Really tasty. I'll see you next time for my next meal.